lady.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ayan, no? So,
Yeah, you won't be able to get
dami
through.
ng tubig. Palalim yung satang. Ano? Pamakin ng ilog.
Alright.
Alrighty, take care.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See
Bye.
you.
Yeah,
Say
ring you.
hi.
Yeah, we'll ring you when we get home.
Yeah, take it easy.
Yeah. Alright.
Okay. See ya.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Ayan, tumawag kami kay mom.
To ask about flu and COVID vaccinations. And when called
Ayan na, okay na naman yung daloy. Ano lakas, hina ng rain. So, yung kanina pinakita ko yung ilog, lumakad na yung ilog. Sobra. Tingnan mo yung tingnan nyo yung, ayan yung bridge. Ayan ang tubig. Ganda tingnan.